Hey there folks, welcome to today's 3 minutes video. We're about to unveil a secret weapon that's been won in installation and engineering pros, cloud management. It's like a magic, helping them achieve twice the results in home router network setups. In the past, their job might have been a whirlwind, but now everything has become a breeze. When using other brands' equipment, troubleshooting network issues for clients often meant physically being on site. This resulted in traveling long distances, investing significant time and effort, and sometimes even extra costs. However, with our cloud management feature, those days of hardship are over. Let's take a look at how it's revolutionizing the way they work. So, back in the day, if a customer forgot their network password, installers have to track all the way to the customer place, and it would take around 3 minutes to change the password. Think about those long drives, traffic jams, and heaps of time spent. It really piled up the cost for after-sales maintenance. But guess what? With the cloud management feature, things have taken a 180-degree turn. Now, those installers can change a customer's network password right from their own office, cafe, or even their private house using the cloud management tool. No more need for those long holds. They simply do a quick trick on their phones and boom, customer's problem solved. And they've got the after-sales service money in their pocket. The cloud management feature also goes beyond that. It also offers them a range of powerful after-sales services. For instance, remote reboot, changing SSID, Wi-Fi optimization, and sharing projects. What's even more interesting is that you can treat it as a customer management tool. With each successful network delivery, adding another project to the list. As projects accumulate, your loyal customer base will also grow. What a surprise! Thank you for tuning in today. We hope you now have a deeper understanding of our cloud management feature. Want to know more? Well, why not take a stroll on our official websites? All the answers are waiting for you there. That's all for today's video. I will see you next time.
Cloud. Make your business easy.